routine nila.
Kumusta ang inyong wushu practice?
Okay naman po, kasi yung iba, nagtatry po mag-memorize ng mga steps po.
Devon, hindi ko nakikita ang pagsiseryoso ninyo para sa inyong weekly task. Kapag natalo kayo, paano? Doon nyo lang maiisip ang kahalagahan ng pagiging focused? Doon nyo lang maiisip ang disiplina? Gusto kong makita ang pagiging leader mo ngayon, Devon.
Apo.
Gusto kong makita na napapasunod mo sila ngayon sa iyo.
Apo.
Gusto ko, Devon, ikaw ang mangangasiwa, ikaw ang mag-o-observe, ikaw ang magko-correct, kung mali, ikaw magtuturo
Apo.
para sa inyong weekly task, yung wushu exercises.
Guys, we need to practice. Talaga. Seryoso tayo ngayon na kasi mamaya na yung presentation. Seryoso tayo ngayon na. Sige.
Ilang oras bago ang demonstration, naghabol pa ng ensayo ang housemates.
Down, derecho. Stand. Kamay. Pag-down mo, pag-aikot, diretso na ganon. Iganon yung kamay nyo. Sabay muna tayo sa kanila para makakita. Dito. Diretso. Bend, bend. Yan. Diretso kamay, Trish. Ikot, tapos ganyan.
Hindi pa nga ba handa ang mga housemates sa kanilang unang weekly task na magkakampi? Pagtagumpayan kaya nila ito. Tutulungan si Kuya ng Wushu Masters and Coaches na sina Coach Relly Bautista at Coach Ed Sevilla para sa pag-judge sa ating mga housemates.
Given less than 6 hours lang yung practice, not bad. However, it seems some people seem to lack the energy, the force, the chi to manifest the spirit of Kung Fu. And what's your name? Pixie exhibited such what we may call martial spirit, no? To move with confidence and to exude energy. Likewise, Devon, the others more or less fall in the same level, although some need to exert more.
You're Devon, right? Although you dropped your weapon, you were doing really good. And also, what's your name? Jenny. She was giving all her effort, and she's trying her best. And Joe, you were kind of spaced out. You lacked the spirit. And the forms were not that good, but some of you had that spirit of trying to do it or apply it, and some didn't have that. It was just trying to go through the motions without the intention. You have to have the intention. Without the intention, it will show.
Kapag nakarinig kayo ng 2 gongs, ibig sabihin, kayo ay fail. At kung 3 naman ang gong, kayo ay pass. Congratulations, housemates! Kayo ay tagumpay sa inyong Wushu Weekly Task.
Masaya na ang housemates, natutunan na nilang magkaisa. Pero bukas, paano nila sama-samang haharapin ang muling paglabas ng ilan sa kanila?
Sila ang mga nominado na mapalabas sa bahay ni Kuya sa Pinoy Teen Housemates. Angelo, Tricia, Joe, Patrick, sa Teen International Housemates. Jack, Sophia, James, Jenny. To vote, text BB space name of housemates. Send to 2331 for Globe. TM, Sun and Buy and Phone Extra subscribers. 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. PBB Teen Clash of 2010. Gabi-gabi.